Good day guys. By the way, I'm Bernaly in Edsuma from section Juliet, and now I will be going to talk about the importance of correction at Penology and its distinction. So guys, we should differentiate first the word Penology and correction. So Penology guys is the study of punishment form of crime of criminal offenders, and it includes the study of control and prevention of crime through punishment of criminal offenders. So the term is derived from the word Latin word puna, which means pain or suffering, otherwise guys known as the penal science. It is usually a division of criminology that deals with prison management and the treatment of offenders, and concern itself with the philosophy and practice of society in its effort to repress criminal activities. So, well, the correction is a branch of criminal justice system concerned with the custody, supervision, and rehabilitation of the criminal offenders. So guys, it is the field of criminal justice administration which utilizes the body of knowledge and practices of the government and the society in general, involving the process of handling individuals who have been convicted of the offenses for purpose of crime prevention and control. It is the study of jail, of prison management and administration, as well as the rehabilitation and reformation of criminals. It is the generic term that includes all government agencies, facilities, program, procedure, personnel, and techniques concerned with the investigation, intake, custody, confinement, supervision, or treatment of illegal offenders. So guys, let's talk about the characteristic of Penology. The first characteristic of Penology guys is that Penology is a science that deals with the principles and methods of punishment. And the second characteristic of Penology is the criminals are punished on a rational. So guys, who coined the term Penology? Francis Laber was the sociologist who coined the term Penology, which means punishment for criminals. Its main function is to prevent criminal offenses by setting a standard bar of giving huge punishment. So, the another major function guys of Penology is to look after criminals' mind when he is in prison to avoid further crimes. In small scale or say informal activities is seen at workplace, schools, and home. For example guys, if a child has done something in wrong, then the child is given a right direction and punishment too if needed. So guys, Penology is the section take care of the mental health of a person. So now guys, let's talk about the correction. So guys, what is the correction? So correction guys is also known as the weakest pillar in the criminal justice system. So guys, why it is considered as the weakest pillar of the criminal justice system? Because they fail to reform offenders and prevent them from returning to criminal life. So guys, the question now guys is the correction and Penology is just the same guys. So for me guys, it is not just the same guys, but it is interconnected and it is related guys. So that's all guys. I hope you will learn a lesson from this video. That's all. Thank you.